dear.
For the water,
Not
up to 200 milliliters or more, a little bit more. It doesn't really matter. It's not an exact science. Ah, kids. And floury flour. So yeah, bread is pretty simple. You add the yeast. You know, try to scoop it all out. Don't waste it. Scoop it all out. Yeah, add the water. Add the water. Add more water. Add all the water. Actually, just add it all. Yeah. And give it a mixy mix. Add the oil. Add a little oil right there. You can put out as much as you want, really. I mean, but if you want a really shiny bread and it's all just not bread anymore, then just put the whole oil thing in there. Anyway, I'm getting off track. Now add the flour. Add it bit by bit, slowly but surely, until you get to that consistency. As I said, I mean that consistency. Did I say that before? No, I didn't. The consistency of that bread, you know, that consistency that when it doesn't stick to your hands and you're good, you know. Scrub all this stuff. Don't waste anything. Don't let anything stick to your fingers. Scrub it all out. You know, get a nice dough. Punch it, punch it, punch it, punch it. Punchity punch. Knead it well. Knead it well. You know, treat it well. Or not. Do as you please. Now sprinkle the salt on top. I know this is not the usual thing people do, but yeah, this is the way I do it, because you know the salt interferes with the yeast, and it does give it a little nice crust on top. So you're eating that bread and that sauce, and you know you get that salty crunch on top. And I really like it. So yeah, you let it ferment for an hour, 2 hours, overnight, as much as you like, really. I mean, not more than a night. Then it just starts turning into sourdough. And you know, if you want sourdough, you know, you can do that. No problem. Go ahead. Sourdough it. Sourdough it as much as you want. And you know, now you just let it be for half an hour to an hour to 2 hours. You know, not too much. And you're left with this beautiful bread. Beautifully fermented. Proteins are there, the sugars are there. Everything's available for you and your body and your...
The best bread.
Yeah, when you ferment wheat, everything is more available. I mean, I don't know if you know, but... Whoa. There's some kind of glitching.